Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated.
Good morning, Raiders. I'm Lalo, and these are news announcements for today, Thursday, February 8th. Tomorrow's going to be a minimum day, no late start. Want to know why? Because it's Raider Fest! We hear that some clubs are selling fresas con crema, tote bags, pizza, stir fry, and even some $3 clothes from Fashion Club. There's plenty of exciting things to look forward to for tomorrow. If you want your photo taken with your friends, maybe even a special someone to get someone else jealous, come check out the yearbook photo booth at Raider Fest. The Poetry Slam will be hosting an informal poetry reading for students on Thursday, February 8th in room D56 at lunch. Come read your original poem to an audience of friendly peers, refreshments included. Tonight, from 5 to 8 is our open house. Come out and enjoy food, raffles, performances, and more. Like always, Saturday Enrichment will take place this Saturday from 8:30 to 12:45 p.m. in the library. Students may get extra help, work in quiet spaces, and clear an unexcused absence. Sign up by clicking the Saturday Enrichment sign-up link, scanning the QR code below, or walk-ins are welcome. Raiders, the yearbook needs you. If you have a cool job, email us a photo of you at work and include your full name to be included in the yearbook now. Email us at cipictureoftheday@gmail.com. Do you guys like Loteria and games? We hear that LULAC has something to offer.
Good morning, Raiders. We're here with LULAC to announce our next event, Loteria Night After School, March 8th.
We're going to be selling food, and there will be prizes for the winners. If you have any more questions, feel free to come to room 51A.
Everyone's welcome.
Thank you, LULAC, and make sure to check that out, Raiders. Sporting news, sports on tap. Saturday we have JV and varsity softball playing Santa Clara at 10 a.m. playing away. At 11 a.m. varsity baseball plays Heritage Christian here at home. Also check out last week's amazing CI wrestling results, as over the weekend CI boys and girls wrestling were in the Citrus Coast League finals. A few of our Raiders placed and qualified for CIF. 2 of amazing girls were named MVP. Come out and support our team, Raiders. Channel Island Squad is currently selling squad gear, so reach out to any squad team member to get yours today. Come check out the limited time offer that Mecca offers who are taking photos for Valentine's in the library until February 9th. Come get your photo taken, Raiders. Now let's turn things over to Mr. Corona.
Alright, good morning, Raiders. Mr. Corona here. I'm here to promote our physics classes for next year. So if you are a rising junior, rising senior, you're looking for another science class to take, feel free to sign up for Physics of the Universe, or AP Physics, right? If you are going to be enrolled in Math 3 or above, you're ready for Physics of the Universe. We explore fun things like electricity, the planets, nuclear radiation, electromagnetic radiation. It'll be good times. If you're interested in a challenge, we have AP Physics. That is calculus based, so if you're going to be taking calculus next year, that's a good class to sign up with both at the same time. I had my AP students come up with reasons people would want to take the class. First up, you gotta save money. If you pass the AP test, you don't have to pay for the class again. If you are looking forward to going into medicine, engineering, later on in life as a career or for a major, it's a good class to take. You're going to end up taking calculus-based physics anyway. Might as well take it in a class. There's only like 30 kids, and it's going to be all year long, right? Then they said you can flex on your friends. So you took it. Not my favorite fact, but they said importantly the quizzes are scaled, so it's kind of like being curved. They said Corona, that's me, that's the name of the teacher. I don't think that helps, but rated 4 out of 5 stars almost every time. Hey, hey. And then they said you'll become an expert in quantum physics, which is not a thing, but go for it. All right. Have a good day, Raiders.
Thank you, Mr. Corona. Upcoming events, open houses today. Don't miss out, Raiders. And tomorrow we will be having a Raider Fest minimum day. Monday, February 19th through 23 is ski week break. Can't wait for that, Raiders. Tuesday, February 27th, the Blackstock Middle School tours. Thursday, February 29th, Ocean View Middle School tours. And Friday, March 1st, is the spring rally. It's coming right around the corner, Raiders, so get ready. The 2023-2024 CI yearbook is officially on sale. Go to www.yearbook.ordercenter.com and put in your school code 8464. Price is $80 until February 29th. After that, it jumps up to $85, so take advantage. Purchase your yearbook today. Now here's the new February schedule for the Rincon Wellness Center. Need to get some important info out to the islands? Want your photo showing the Raider mural? Reach out to us at cipictureoftheday@gmail.com. This is all your news announcement today. Make it a great day, Raiders.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to CI Live. If you would like to participate, send an email at cipictureoftheday@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.